Yeah, today we are going to see about the lesson chemistry, synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay, synthetic fibers and plastic, chapter number 3. So, chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. So, as you already know about what is a fiber, I think you have learned in class 6 and 7 standard 2. What is a fiber? And fiber is of two types. It is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Under natural fiber, it is divided into two: plant and animal fibers. Under synthetic fiber, it is divided into two. Example, that is synthetic fibers. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, and polythene, etc. Okay, and already we have learned about in the 7th standard how to get, in 6th standard we have learned about how do we get cotton from cotton thread, and how do we get silk from silk moth, and wool from sheep. So these are the things we have learned in 7th standard. So the next slide. What are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are a man-made fibers. They are normally made from the byproducts of petroleum known as petrochemicals. Synthetic fibers are the polymers which are made by the combination of large number of smaller units. See, this is one smaller unit, this is one smaller unit, this is one smaller unit. Here we are having different colors. So each together to form, this is one whole molecule, that is called monomer. Okay, that is called monomer. So this is one monomer, this is one monomer, this is one monomer. So all together it is joined. So one or two monomers joined together to form a polymer. That is many monomers combined together to form a polymer. Okay. Polymers. Poly means many, mers means units. So polymers are long chain molecules formed by the combination of many smaller units known as monomers. Mono, single, mere units. That means, as I already told you, see, this is monomer, this is polymer. You think about the girls and all wearing a neck, that is beads, no, that is neck chain. So in that single beads is, one single bead is called a monomer. If altogether it is called as a polymer. Okay. So the polymerization reaction, the process of formation of long chain compounds, polymers by the combination of monomers is called polymerization reaction. So see again, so these polymers are joined. You just imagine this is a bead, this is a thread. Here, all polymers are joined together by hydrogen bonding. That is very important here. Okay. And types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. Rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic are the 4 major types of synthetic fibers. What is rayon? Rayon, as I said you, that is all synthetic fibers which we are getting from the chemical treatment mainly. Okay. Rayon is a man-made fiber which obtained from wood pulp, that is made up of cellulose. We already know the plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. On chemical treatment with NaOH, carbon disulfide, and sulfuric acid. NaOH is sodium hydroxide, carbon disulfide is indicated as CS2, and sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay. So along with these 3 items, that is these 3 substances, okay, with the treatment of these 3 substances, we are getting this rayon that will be obtained from the wood pulp. So the properties of rayon is similar to silk, and it is shrink like silk. So it is also called as artificial silk. If you could see the picture of this rayon, you can observe that this is very shiny. Our silk materials also will be shiny, natural silk. Yes or no? So it is similar to silk. So only it is also called as artificial silk, because the fabric will be obtained, or the fiber will be obtained on the chemical treatment with NaOH, carbon disulfide, and sulfuric acid. Okay. Though the raw material is a plant material also, that is wood pulp, which is a plant-based product, but on chemical treatment with NaOH, carbon disulfide, sulfuric acid only, we will be getting this rayon. So only it is called as man-made fiber, also called as synthetic fiber. Okay. No, cellulose is a natural polymer. As I already told you, cellulose is a plant byproduct. That rayon, properties and uses. What are the properties of rayon? It is very soft and durable. It is very flexible to wear, and strong fiber. And it can be dyed into various colors. Whatever the colors we have attracted, like how far the that is for girls and all, the dresses will be like net materials, and then satin materials, and then what we can say that attractive fancy dresses, everything is made of rayon, so only this looks shiny and bright. So uses, it is used for making fabrics, and is used for making bed sheets and carpets, and is used to make surgical products like bandages. Next, nylon. Nylon, it is the first fully synthetic fiber. When compared to rayon, the raw material is from the plant product, but on the chemical treatment we are getting it. But this is fully made up of synthetic fiber, fully made up of chemicals. It was prepared from coal, water, and air. So nylon is made by the polymerization of a dicarboxylic acid with a diamide. Dicarboxylic acid means the formula will be coming COOH. Dicarboxylic acid means COOH twice. Okay, this you will be learning in higher classes, maybe in 10th standard and 12th standard too. Amine. Amine means in the compound the NH2 group will be there. Okay, so if it is twice, it is called diamine, NH2. Then nylon. Properties and uses. What are the properties? Nylon is very strong. It is elastic. It is light and lustrous. It is easy to dye and wash. Uses, used for making fishing nets. Various fabrics are made from nylon. Ropes are made from nylon. Toothbrushes, tents, car seats, etc. are made. Parachutes are made using nylon. Curtains, bags, socks are also made from the nylon. So the nylon is a multi-purpose fiber actually. Okay. So nylon uses, it's used for the tents, parachutes, fabrics, ropes, curtains, socks, fishing nets, seat belt, brushes, like that. Next, polyester. Polyester polymers of alcohols and carboxylic acids. Terylene is a popular polyester which are formed from terephthalic acid and glycol. Okay, this is also purely synthetic fiber made from chemicals. So PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate is a familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottles, films, wires, vessels, etc. What we are having, pet bottles and all nowadays in it's a very familiar, all pet bottles, all soft drinks, water bottles, everything come under the pet bottles, and fancy water bottles what we are buying at. So that is because of the recycling of the plastics. Okay. Next, polyester mixed fabrics also will be present. If polyester is mixed with cotton, we can say that polycot. If polyester is mixed with woolen, we can say that polywool. Terylene plus cotton is called as terrycot. Terrycot items and all, now it is very familiar in the market. Okay. Now coming to acrylic. Acrylic or polymers of petrochemicals which resembles wool in their properties. You can see in the roadside and all, you will be getting the jerkin. It will be like a sweater, but not apt wool. Okay, somehow we can protect ourselves from the cold season, but it is only very lesser in amount, very cheap. Like only it is cost of only 200 to 300. But if it is going for wool, okay, it will be somewhat the cost higher. So the people are going for, based on the cheaper and economic, the people are going for this acrylic materials. Okay, what are the properties? Cheap and affordable. They are available in different colors, less weight, soft and warm. So these are all this butter, then cap, then again woolen. Here nail polishes are produced based on acrylic, and then color pens. There is color sketches, paints, utensils, so all are made of acrylic compounds. What are the characteristics of synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are very less expensive and are affordable to us. Okay, this economical, they are durable, and it is readily available very easily, easy to maintain, because no one need to iron the clothes under. As you know, synthetic clothes very dry quickly, and also it is lightweight and chemically inert, and also will also look bright when we are wearing the synthetic fibers. So that's all about the today's class. So what we have seen, what is a fiber, and previous knowledge about the fiber, about the natural fiber and artificial fiber. And under the natural fiber, we have seen plant fiber and animal fiber. Plant fiber regarding cotton fiber. Cotton fiber you have learned about in 6th standard itself. And then silk, that is wool and silk, you have learned in 7th standard. How do we get wool? How do we get silk? And now full of purely learning about the synthetic fibers. So what are synthetic fibers? And four synthetic major types of fibers we have seen. What are they? Rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. And we have seen about the properties and uses of all four major types of synthetic fibers. Okay, thank you children. Bye.